Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Coop, and we back at it again, but we switching it up a little bit. I got the rods in the back seat. We're gonna hit up Daytona Beach. Well, we're gonna hit up the bridges near Daytona Beach, and we're gonna see if anything biting. We just filled up with gas, about to pick up a good friend of mine, and yeah, we about to go fishing. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, and hey, we out here. We just left the bait shop, and you know I gotta rep the Cooper fishing mask. I can take it off right now though. Got Mr. Nick over there. Yeah. We got the crab right here.
We got some mullet.
Go ahead, show them what we fish. We got some mullet. Live shrimp right here. Let me show you what it's looking like.
Pull one out. Gotta let them know you want them jumping.
Yeah.
Gotta let them know you want them ready.
All right, we're gonna test our luck, see what we get.
We over on Fairview.
Yeah.
We on Fairview Ave. About to hit the beach on Fairview Ave.
Then where it's at?
Daytona
Beach. This we're working with today. Right by Daytona Beach. Underneath this bridge over here. You don't think we should cast over here? Underneath this bridge? Huh? You don't think we should cast underneath this bridge right here?
I'm gonna try to catch little bait fish underneath here.
Alright.
I'm gonna catch a little bait fish under there.
I ain't know that bridge lifted up. You see it lifted up?
Tugboats. That's hot.
Yeah.
Big boy coming through. But I'm telling you, if you're gonna cast, I will cast off that bridge underneath there. That's where all the coral is.
Welcome back, man. I ain't gonna lie, the last couple days fishing, I caught nothing. I'm on like a 2 to 3 day streak of not catching anything. I mean, like, the fish are biting the hook, but the hooks aren't setting itself and the fish just keep falling off. So I got some new hooks, and we're gonna hit up the beach with the family, and of course I brought the rod. So yeah, you already know, I feel like it's gonna be a good day today. And yeah, hey, I'll see you in a few. All right, we just made it to the beach. Here we are right here, in Smyrna. About to get the rod set up. Okay, my mom, you say something to the channel?
Hey, how you doing? Beautiful day at New Smyrna, Bethune Beach.
There you go right here. There's my brother right here. He kind of, he mad right now. He be in his feelings.
What, man?
Look at him. He tell you mad. Just look at him. I'm gonna leave him alone.
You ain't gonna catch anything anyway.
All
so you tired talking about mad?
I do this for my haters. Watch this. About to get set up right now. All right, we just cut up some mullet and we just put it on the line. There you go, right here. The head, picked it from underneath. And then on this one, we got a sink on there and a piece of cut bait. And they also got a sink on there. So yeah, I'm about to cast them out. See if anything biting. All right, I'm about to cast right now. I walk a little deeper so I get a good cast. Cast. I just wait to see if anything's biting. Flip the spool, loosen up the slack. We're gonna put it on the rods then. He said I ain't gonna catch nothing.
You ain't gonna catch shit.
Watch this. Bet some money on the line.
You ain't got no money on the line. No terrible setup.
But yeah, I'm set up right here. I got fish on. Oh, I gotta see something on there. Look, they got a good bend on that, something on there.
I know somebody, you gonna grab this shit?
Hey, go pull it out. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Hold on, hold it. John, stop. Fish on. Like a blue runner. Wait, John. Fish on. What is this? Go ahead. Reel it in. Reel the line in.
I caught a fish before your ass.
Reel on it. I thought we weren't gonna catch anything.
You ain't catch it. I caught it, nigga.
I lined it up. Look at that. Fish on.
I done caught me a fish on the first try.
Huh?
On his face.
Alright. Then I got some blue crab. We're gonna put them on the line. Hey, little baby. So yeah, I'm about to cut them up. Put them on the line. Got a pretty setup, but yeah. Here go a piece of the crowd. And about to cast it. Spinning luck. Got the crowd. And 4-ounce sink over there. What is 4 ounce? Right over there, 4-ounce sink. Barely see it, but there you go. I'm about to cast them out. Spinning bite. Got the other rod set up also. Third bluefish of the day.
Why you got two? I don't think you put on it, it's not gonna do anything.
You scared? Well, you know you scared.
Oh,
Bluefish.
What?
Bluefish.
Go ahead, put it in your bucket. That is pretty. Put it in your bucket. Put some
Yeah,
water
yeah, I
in
got you, I got you.
the bucket.
I'm about to go cut them up.
Okay, well, okay.
Yeah. Third bluefish of the day. Alright, so I'm gonna try out the shrimp. See if we catch. I'm gonna get as deep as possible, probably like waist deep. And then we're gonna just cast it out. Hit it. All the way close to the ocean. Let it fly. Mikey over there, that boy freezing. Scared of the water. Look at him about to jump. Now you want to tough it out because the camera there. Might be the weight. Go ahead, Mikey. Fish on, pull it up. Oh! We out here, we at New Smyrna Beach, or Bethune Beach. Alright, so we're gonna put a whole mullet on there. Whole mullet with a 4-ounce weight. See if anything gonna take it.
Yeah, you hitting that?
Yeah.
That's a whole mullet, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, now I gotta wipe off the camera.
What the hell is you doing, man?
Wipe off the camera.
Man, what the hell is you doing, man?
Wipe off the camera. That's a big one, huh? No.
That's big. It's a whole mullet. He put a whole. That's a fight. Don't give him nothing. Ronnie, keep that reel bent. Don't give him nothing. Hey, put that pole down. Put that pole down. Okay, okay. Whole mullet.
He crossed.
Hey, you gonna have to cross over here. Johnny, you gonna have to cross her. Put that down. Step over it.
Guys are crossed.
I know. Step over it. Yep, there you go. Now go ahead, bring that in.
When it gets like right there.
Huh? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Let me take my.
He's running.
Hey, move that one.
He's running. I told you move that. Wait, go back over it. Go back over, Johnny. It's right here. Huh? Stop, stop. Oh, man. What happened? Come on, here. Hang on, I got you. Go, go. There you go. Reel that in. Oh, man. He got a ray. Get him to the shore. Back up. Back up.
Get the net on it.
No, it just stinks.
To let it go, you guys are going to have to cut the... Oh, it's a stingray. No, let it go. Let it go.
Yeah, we're going to let it go. Back up, back up. I'll get it. Back up, little dude. That thing will stick you.
I'm gonna flip it over. Let me put my shoes on.
Hang on, no.
I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Yeah, here, watch out.
We gotta flip it over.
Hey, you want to record me? Now, Johnny, you got to put them in and take time to shot real fast. I'm flip them over. Gee.
Huh?
Back, watch out, watch out. Back up.
Hold on, I got it.
Yeah, get there. Now we got to flip them over.
No, that's his mouth right there. That's his mouth. That's No, they gotta take it off the thing to let it back go in the water. They gotta take the hook off because he's gonna die from the hook.
Yeah. He's in tectonic shock right now. He's okay.
Oh yeah, kind of like shark.
Just like a shark.
Yeah, just kind of like
There we go.
All right, there.
Hold the hook, hold the hook.
Now you go back out the way, Johnny.
You got the
Let me record him burning in the water.
You got everything.
Johnny, y'all let go. Johnny, move your foot. Don't touch that damn thing. Move the hook right here.
Look at my neck.
Johnny, move. You're backing up and on the hook. Keep going out fast.
You got it?
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, should be good for a boat cheater.
Oh, that thing is coming in.
That's the single thing that's gonna make you up. That's the thing. Okay, I'm fine.
Watch out.
There you go. There you go.
Get back here. Good job, guys.
We about to head out from the beach. This nigga right here, he put me on the fishing.
Hey,
He's the
baby,
OG
we gotta
right
do
here.
it. We gotta do it.
Yeah.
We gotta bring it home. Bring it home to Vegas.
Yeah, it was a good day today. What we caught?
Oh, you pulled in the whole ocean.
Yeah.
About 6, 7. He let a few little ones go.
Yeah. I got a couple bluefish, the stingray. Look how beautiful it is out here. Just look at it.
Sun setting on the water.
Yeah, perfect.
That's what it's like, man. It's peaceful, man. It's a good thing.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe, man.
Right.
Hey, guys, take it easy.